Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can upgrade to Proton Mail Plus. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course sign into your Proton Mail official website. And now that you're here, you will look for the gear icon, which is right here, and then go ahead and click all settings. And then you will just have to wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will just have to click upgrade plan, which is right here. And now what you will have to do is you will just have to select Mail Plus, and of course you can also compare plans and pick the one that fits your needs. And then once you've selected your chosen plan, you will just have to enter your payment information, and then of course you will add your credit card, payment, PayPal, or other supported payment method. And then after all that, you will just have to confirm your upgrade and complete the purchase and check your account for plus features. And that's it, you're now upgraded to your Proton Mail Plus with all the added features. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.